What's going on? Let's talk about how to gain subscribers, and let's talk about how to gain a lot of subscribers. I'm going to show you guys how to gain 100 to 150 subscribers per day without spending any money. This is not a trick. These are actual real subscribers, and this is a really fast way to grow your community extremely fast. I've been doing it for around 7 days. Stats don't lie. Let's get right into the video. So let's go into my YouTube channel. Let's find out my little secrets to grow my channel extremely fast. If you guys have been following my channel, you guys know that I recently hit 1,000 subscribers less than 28 days ago. Now, less than 28 days, and in 28 days, I managed to gain 1,880 something subscribers. Let's find out how I did it. Am I cheating? Am I doing anything fishy? I'm talking to my brother. He's like, yeah, you're doing something fishy. All right, I'm not doing anything fishy. What I did was did my research, and I found out about a little something called a YouTube short video. Now let's talk about YouTube Shorts and how they can grow your channel. Let's talk about how to make them. So let's go to my YouTube analytics. So here we have the last 28 days. What's going on in my channel? Let's go to subscribers. 1,500 subs in the last 28 days. If we go a little bit further, let's go 90 days. Okay. Generally daily for the past 90 days, I've been gaining 4 subscribers, 3 subscribers, sometimes 0. Sometimes I'd lose 2 subscribers during the day. On a good day, I'd gain 10 subscribers. 3, 2, 6, 0, 2, minus 2, minus 2, 1. You get the point, right? So from September all the way through till the beginning of November, I've been growing very slowly, not efficiently. Little jumps here and there, 32 subscribers. And then all of a sudden, I discovered something. Boom! 125 subscribers in one day. The next day, lost them all. If you guys want to know what happened there, watch my last video of how I lost 200 subscribers in 3 days. That's another thing you guys are going to have to learn. Don't mix your niches, basically. That happened in around 3-4 days where I gained a lot, and I discovered something, and I tried something new. Now, the next day, I didn't quite understand. A couple days later, I'm trying more and more things, and then all of a sudden, boom, 300 subscribers, holding and gaining. But anyways, December 4th to the December 20th, I've been gaining, as you guys can see, over 100 subscribers, sometimes going crazy with almost 300 subscribers per day. For a small channel, that is insane, and I didn't even think it was possible. Not only that, but my watch time, in the last 28 days, I'm almost at 1 million views. My numbers have gone up 999% for subscribers and viewers. Stats don't lie. How did I get my views to go up 999%? And how did I get my watch time to go up 990%? By the end of the weekend, or by the end of this week, early this week, I should be at 3,000 subscribers. By the way, thanks to all the subscribers. For those of you who are wondering when the monetization starts, we're pretty close. Now, if you look at my uploads, let's just go look at my YouTube channel and see. Are you guys looking? What I discovered. All right. So my last video that I made was a video with my brother. We're game creators, and we're making this game. It's gonna be available on your iPhone, Android, iOS. When it's gonna come out, I'm gonna start advertising it more. I'm not gonna talk about it too much, but let's just look at the types of videos that I've been putting out for the past couple weeks, and stats don't lie, right? So these videos are called YouTube Shorts. Basically what a YouTube Short is, if I click on my latest YouTube Short, Rocket League tips for Grand Champion players. What's going on? Boom. So as you can see, it's in a vertical format. That's because YouTube Shorts are going to be played on your phone. The thing about YouTube Shorts is YouTube doesn't favorize big YouTubers or big channels. What YouTube does is they will play your YouTube Short and they will test the waters. If you have a good audience retention through your YouTube Short video, then they will show that YouTube Short more and more and more, and the numbers can go insane. For a small channel like myself, I was able to get one of my videos almost at 700,000 views in the past 2 weeks right here. How to do every flick in 1 minute. I don't even think it's a good video, but it's keeping audience retention for that full 1 minute, and people are watching it. So YouTube's being nice to me. They're showing it, they're showing it, they're showing it. And that video alone has gained me over 1,000 subscribers, just that video alone. So I figured out how to make YouTube Shorts. Whatever editing software you're using, the display resolution is 1920 or 1980 by 720 or 1920 by 1080p. You might want to change that if you want to do a YouTube Short to a vertical format video. Now, it shows up kind of like this, right? Basically, it shows up like this. So what you have to do is crop it out, and maybe you can put some writing on top here, some writing on the bottom, and that's what a YouTube short is. So YouTube shorts are good depending on what your niche is. You gotta give out quick information that people want to watch. If you make a YouTube short that's 20 seconds long and everybody watches for 20 seconds, chances are YouTube's gonna be really nice to you, and they're gonna show you a video over and over and over again to people scrolling through YouTube shorts on their phone. Now, YouTube shorts give you a lot of watch time, but it's not monetization watch time. It's basic watch time. The way the YouTube short becomes a YouTube short is it has to be less than 1 minute long, and it has to be in any vertical format, so it fits on a phone. Here's a good example of one of my videos that popped off not too long ago. I made this 2 days ago. I almost have 3,000 views.
Yo, what's up?
It's less than 1 minute long.
In this episode, tips for diamonds. Let's go. Diamond players probably know how to flick the ball, probably know how to bounce dribble, you probably do this exercise all the time.
In my YouTube short, I take advantage of all of that time. I put tips on top. I got the subscribe button on the bottom there. I put in a catchy little song, and I make sure to keep it as entertaining as possible for that full minute or full 40 seconds or whatever it is that I tried to do. These YouTube shorts have been not money makers for me, but subscriber makers. My subscribers have been booming because of these videos. And I don't care which niche you're in, make YouTube shorts if you want to grow your channel. If you're already a big channel, YouTube shorts might be more of a luxury for your channel, but for small channels, it is a must if you want to grow fast on YouTube. In the last 48 hours, YouTube has shown my videos so much more. If I go to analytics, engagement, right here, check it out. The traffic sources of all my views and subscribers are 95.6% YouTube shorts. I got over 315,000 impressions. So YouTube is really showing my stuff. YouTube recommending your content at 80%, and the click-through rate, basically my thumbnails, 6.2%. So YouTube showed my thumbnail, let's say 315,000 times, which is a 302% increase, and only 6.2% of those impressions are actually being clicked on, and which is generating me over almost 1 million views in the last 28 days. 1 million views, I mean, you guys think about it, that's a lot of views, and that's generating a lot of traffic towards my YouTube channel. Unique viewers, almost 1 million unique viewers, so people that are the first timers to my channel. If I go to comments are flowing in. I used to be able to keep track of all the comments. I am losing control of the comments. This is just today. I'm getting a lot of haters too. Like, I'm getting a lot of good comments from my audience. YouTube's just amazing in telling me where my views are coming from and where my subscribers are coming from. And so basically, I'm pumping out YouTube shorts. I'm trying to pump out 10 a week right now. In one day, I can make 5 YouTube shorts. I've done it before, and it's holding my subscribers steady at 130, 135. Just today, I made 125 subscribers, new subscribers. And am I spending any money? No money at all. That's it. Also, check this out. This stat here is pretty mind-blowing. 98% of the people that watch my stuff are not subscribed. So only 2%, I mean, let's say 1 million views are subscribed, which makes sense because I have 2,000 subscribers. So it's close. The math doesn't lie. You can see which videos are promoting your stuff, and it doesn't mean that I'm Canadian, that Canadians are watching my stuff. Only 3% of the community are Canadian, and I'm working hard. I'm pumping out a lot of videos. Whatever your niche is, I think it's possible these days. There's so many people on YouTube. Live streams give me watch time. I can get over 50 to 100 hours in one night for a stream, but a stream is it's very demanding. I gotta be on the ball, gotta be entertaining that whole stream. So, I mean, this wasn't clickbait. That's exactly how you get 1,000 subscribers in 28 days. I mean, I heard about the snowball effect, but I didn't think it would start this early. I can see my channel growing, and it's giving me hope. I just don't want to get stuck in the Rocket League niche. I want people to understand that I will be posting all kinds of stuff. And one of the YouTubers that I'm referencing, when I do that, one of the YouTubers that showed that it was possible to have multiple niches What I want to talk about as well is YouTube Shorts go hand in hand with Instagram and TikTok. I'm not sure how to make money on Instagram and TikTok, but if I go to my TikTok, and it's not more work for me to make TikTok videos because I'm already making YouTube Shorts. I have over 47,000 likes, almost 3,000 followers, and I've been doing TikTok for 5 days, 6 days, not too long ago. And every time I make a YouTube short, I put it up there. My TikToks are pretty popular. I mean, 15,000 views, 19,000 views, 13,000. I'm pretty sure one of them has over 100K. This one has over 100K views. This one has over 131K views. So even TikTok, I'm growing this TikTok community. My Instagram's blowing up. I got over 89 messages unread. It's hard for me to follow this. That's how fast I'm growing. If you guys don't know, I stream on YouTube, I stream on Twitch, I make Rocket League videos, and I'm gonna talk about how to become a YouTuber from scratch. And hopefully we can start doing some workout videos at the same time. Unboxing, I wanna talk about which controllers that I use, right? Which controllers, the tech, the computer, the keyboard, my YouTube studio, how I made this, and I just wanna be kind of like a role model for you guys. And I think it's totally possible. I'm not gonna give up. And I think that's what YouTube is. It's called the YouTube grind. It is a marathon, it's not a race. If you're trying to race against another YouTuber, you might not understand the stats. Like some people don't understand how I'm growing so fast. Hopefully today, it clears it up a little bit. It's a growing process. If I go through memory lane and I start showing you guys the evolution of my YouTube channel, it's insane. And just talking towards the camera, you get more and more comfortable. The first time I made a video, camera scared the crap out of me, even though I only got 17 views. Now I might get over 1 million views on my videos, and it doesn't scare me at all. So hope you guys enjoy my videos, hope you guys enjoy my content. If you want to follow me, then you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Discord. I got a Discord, link is in the description below. Follow me on YouTube, obviously, Twitch, Facebook gaming, anything. I'm everywhere. I'm Joey, welcome to my H2K gaming channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.